One day a student spoke to me very honestly. He looked tired and a little sad. He said, "Teacher, every day I sit on my chair with my English book. I really want to study. I even promise myself I will not waste time. I open the book and read one line. Then I say to myself, I will check my phone for just 1 minute. Only 1 minute. But when I look again, 1 full hour is already gone. And my book is still open on the same page." Maybe you smiled when you heard this. Because maybe this story is also your story. You don't want to waste time. You want to learn English. But somehow, your finger opens TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube by itself. And after that, you feel bad. You say, "Tomorrow I will study properly." But tomorrow comes, and the same thing happens again. Let me tell you something important as your teacher. You are not lazy. You are not weak. You are just human. Let me explain this in a very simple way. Inside your brain, there is something called a happy chemical. When you watch short videos, laugh, or see something interesting, your brain feels happy very fast. It says, "Oh, I like this, give me more." Scrolling feels easy. Fast happiness. No thinking, no effort. But learning English feels different. You open a book. You see many new words. Your brain feels tired. It says, "This is hard. Let's do something easy instead." So your brain is not bad. It is just used to fast fun. The good news is this. We can train your brain again. And I will show you how, step by step, like a teacher helping a student. First, we need to slow your mind. I am not telling you to throw away your phone. No, that is not real life. I want you to try something very small. Every day, give your brain just 10 minutes of quiet time. No phone, no music, no messages. You can walk slowly. You can sit near a window. You can look at the sky. At first it will feel boring. Very boring. Like waiting for the internet to load. But after a few days, something interesting happens. Your mind becomes calm. Small things start to feel nice again. A quiet moment. One new English word. Your brain slowly learns. Hey, this feels good too. Now let's talk about making English fun again. Many students see English like a big monster. Scary. Too many words. But English is not a monster. It is a journey. Think of learning English like traveling. Every new word is a small place you visit. Every sentence is one step forward. When you learn a word, don't just read it. Imagine it. If the word is journey, think about your own life, your struggles, your dreams. You are not just learning English. You are learning to see the world in a new way. You can make English part of your daily life. Watch short English videos you enjoy. Listen to English songs and try to sing slowly. Write one simple English sentence under your photo. No pressure, no fear. Learning should feel natural, not painful. Now let me share a powerful secret. Your brain loves rewards. So we use rewards in a smart way. Study for 20 minutes. Then stop. Take a short break. Drink water. Stretch your body. Check your phone for a few minutes. After studying, mark your progress. A tick mark. A small star. It feels good, right? Like saying, yes, I did something today. Small wins build strong habits. Now, one more important thing. Learn English with curiosity, not fear. Don't learn English only for exams. Learn it for your life. If you love games, watch gaming videos in English. If you love short videos, follow English creators who speak slowly. When English connects with what you already love, your brain does not fight. Your brain follows. Because English is not a punishment. It is a door. And every word you learn opens that door a little more. Now listen carefully. Your brain is not broken. It just got used to fast rewards. Now you are teaching it something better. Real progress. Start very small. 5 minutes today. 10 minutes tomorrow. One day, you will not force yourself to study. You will want to. And now imagine this future. One day, sooner than you think, you will watch a movie in English and understand it without subtitles. One day you will speak English without fear. You will make new friends. Travel. Get better opportunities. Maybe even get the job you dream about. And all of this will happen because today you chose learning over scrolling. You chose growth over escape. That is how you become addicted to learning English. Not addicted to your phone, but addicted to progress. And trust me as your teacher, your future self will thank you for this choice.